Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciate you. New viewers, you gotta subscribe so you get awesome recipes like this one, which is gonna be in the Mr. B Drinks category. We're gonna make a gingerbread martini. So jumping right in, I've got my shaker with ice. I have 2 ounces. This happens to be vanilla vodka, but you can use regular vodka. 2 ounces. To get our ginger flavor, I'm using a gingerbread cream liqueur. This is Mr. Stack's, but there are other brands. 4 ounces. And then last but not least, I'm using Kahlua. It's a coffee liqueur. 2 ounces. Put our lid on. Put the cap on. Same as always, 30 seconds until you see and feel the ice. All right, it's been about 30 seconds. We're using an up glass. And there you have it. If you wanted to garnish, I would use maybe a ginger snap cookie or possibly some whipped cream on top. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring the bell for those alerts. Check back for the next video. And as always, take care. Peace.